You realize you have 20 seconds, right? You fucking idiot, you didn't clear your corner. Yeah.
We were kind of wondering the same thing. How come we won the half by 3 rounds and it still feels like we lost because Carter?
And play B.
Yeah, like, you yelled at our teammates the whole time.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go.
Carter, peek fountain. I'll flash you in.
Nice, dude. My guy. Got my short.
Yes, sir. I'ma chill
Nice.
on it.
Flashbang.
I'm a peak monster, my dude.
Grenade
Fucking
out.
monster.
Smoke.
Might be an A play.
Hey,
Pushing up
already.
monster. Gonna go up.
No, you're not. You're not. Sorry.
Hey, hey.
You ass.
I'm pushing.
Bomb has been planted.
Score or what? Later.
Left
That
corner
thing's-
on truck.
Gotta
Corner
come
on
up.
truck.
Oh my.
Terrorists win.
Dude.
Dude, pretty sad.
Let's go.
Hit. Imagine reading.
Monster's clear.
Damn, they rushed. Rushing fountain.
Are they A boys? Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see a lot of A. Like 2 are.
I'm not.
Who, me?
Might as well go up there.
I saw him. He's there.
He's directly to your right.
Counter-terrorists
Nice shot. Throw me a gun, dude.
Yeah, I did. That was so
I
sick.
tried to throw you a gun and I didn't get one either.